welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be trying a bunch of Asian snacks. I'm just gonna say Asian because not all of them are specific from a specific area. We got all of our stuff from Hmart. We're gonna give it our honest rating, and yeah, I have my boyfriend to accompany me to rate them as well. The first one we're gonna try is Gen Ramen, cup ramen. It's good. How's it taste?
Tastes like regular noodles, I guess. What kind of like different figure?
Blow it, man.
I don't like blowing stuff, bro.
It's gonna be hot if you don't blow it.
It tastes like regular ramen, but I don't see the difference. It just tastes different. I give it a 10.
Ooh. It has a better, I think the reason why I like Korean ramen or Asian ramen better is because it has a better noodle texture. It tastes less fake. And the soup is, they put more thought into the soup. Next, we are going to try the Bimbob. I'm probably saying this so wrong. Unagiri. It's like a triangle thing. It has rice, dried seaweed, beef, pork, bean sprout, onion, chili paste, sugar, salt, and pepper. I did not know it had pork. I don't eat pork, but today I will be.
That's a big bite.
That's so good.
Smell like fish.
That's the seaweed. Babe, you have to bite, because you have to get the rice and stuff. Not you. It's actually really good. Oh my god.
I don't like fish though.
Taste what the rice. Taste what the seaweed though.
What's on the inside? Pork?
Pork, yeah.
It's not bad, but I give it a 5 because I don't really like fish. It's not really bad. If you like seafood or anything like that, you'll like it.
It's actually really good. I give it, I didn't even get the ramen. The ramen's a 10. I give this a 8.
Okay, the aftertaste, never mind. I give it more like a 3.
Good. I'm trying not to eat the pork. That's fine. Japanese drinks. I have Melon one. We've had them before, but I haven't had this flavor.
I have blueberry? Yeah, I have blueberry.
It has a ball right here. And then you have to push the ball in, and it's gonna go right here. Ah, got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Cheers. Okay. Melon's good.
What the hell?
I give the melon a 7.5. Here, you try the melon.
I give it like a 5. It's alright.
I don't know where this. I don't know if it's like Japanese. I'm not sure, but you guys tell me.
Thailand.
It's Thailand.
Is it Thailand?
Okay. All right.
I'm kind of thirsty. That's why I'm drinking this right now. So. I am.
This is the vanilla kind. It comes in like a little blue package. How to get the one that has panda on?
They look like this.
They have like little pandas on them. Okay, ready?
This is vanilla, by the way. Vanilla food.
Yeah.
like crackers and like vanilla.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
I like the chocolate ones better. I don't
Yeah,
have
these
the
are
vanilla one. 9.5.
It looks like this.
It looks like turds.
It looks like
Tastes
that.
like that. Okay, yep. And then you put them up. Like on the inside. They look like Cheetos. That's what they look like. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Mmm. It's interesting.
Wait, what?
Wait. It says bitter. That's probably why. It gives me coffee.
Tastes like peanut.
It tastes like coffee to me. It's good, but it is bitter. We should have. It literally says bitter on the thing.
Bitter cinnamon.
Caramel.
Yeah, it's alright. It's not bad. I give it a 7.5.
Yeah, I give it a 7. It's like coffee. Like it's like. The next thing that we're gonna try is shrimp gimbap. I heard it's basically like sushi, but Korean sushi. Also, we're gonna give it an extra rating because it's supposed to be hot, and we put it in the fridge, and I didn't want to heat it up because you're not supposed to heat up the seaweed. So, yeah. So this is what it looks like. Actually, it looks really good. It looks really good. This is daikon. It's basically, I think it's radish, if I'm right.
I like fish.
Here. Ready? Cheers. 1, 2, just pop it in your mouth. Maybe just pop it in. 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, no.
I didn't fall off.
Nope. Nah.
This is fishier than regular sushi. I give it a 8.5. You want to try the radish?
I give it a 1.1.
Want to try radish?
That's horrible. What is this?
Radish. It's sweet.
Huh?
You like it? Want another piece?
It tastes alright.
I like.
Listen.
That we're gonna try is Coco Boy. That's what it looks like. And yeah, there's a twin pack in here. Oh, it is a twin. So cute.
It's literally just chocolate.
I know, but it's so cute. Look at the.
I believe this is gonna taste good.
Look, here's the.
Like...
This is the 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Kind of hard.
That's good.
Yeah, I give it an 8. You give it a 9? No.
I like the panda better though. I don't even know what I gave the panda, but if I give the panda a lower rating, I'm giving it a higher rating. Okay, the next thing.
I'm excited for this.
I don't know what it's called, so yeah, they don't have it in English at all anywhere. But basically, they're chips that are Oreo flavored apparently.
Put it on the back one.
I'm getting full. I'm gonna open it. Ugh. It smells interesting. It smells like cereal. No, it doesn't. I don't know. It smells interesting though. It's good. They look like churros. Like little tiny churros.
I guess you could put like ice cream in it, which is what they said on the back.
Oh, icing. I think that's icing on it.
Ice cream, icing. but it looks like that.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Tastes like cereal. This tastes like cereal. It's good though. I can only eat one, like 2. It's too sweet. Good. I give this a 10. It's like
I did that. I picked that.
cereal.
What?
Babe, it's too sweet. Here, I don't know how to have things. I don't know how to say it. Milkta, Milkita, and it says milky creamy candy.
Pause.
That's what it says. It says Napolitan mix, so it has strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. That's what it looks like. And I think they come in individual packages as well.
Do we try everyone?
Yeah, we're gonna try chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Let's start with chocolate.
Damn, these are mad hard.
Oh, it's like a little pill. It looks like a pill. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is hard. This is tough. Creamy where? It's just like, oh my god. He's like, it's just like,
Say it.
I know it is. Oh my god, it's like long and it's chocolate.
Yeah, that's what this tastes like.
It tastes like,
It's all with a Tootsie Roll.
Tootsie Roll. It's like a Tootsie Roll.
Let's try strawberry.
Okay. Strawberry. So they're like Tootsie Roll, but different flavor. Ah. This thing's hard. This one is good. It's good. It tastes similar. It tastes like a Starburst or something like that.
I was just about to say that, like a strawberry.
A strawberry flavor, but cooler.
You could taste the milk.
That's good.
Yeah, this is good.
The strawberry, I like vanilla. I feel like some tastes like milk. Let's go. Ow! It's so fucking hard.
Try with your front teeth. Those are big.
Stop! It's like milk.
God damn! I don't care how you use Lord.
I think that's just how it is. Like when you eat Tootsie Roll, it's like that. I like this one.
This tastes like milk for real.
It tastes like milk, but it tastes like milk chocolate.
Vanilla milk.
And you know, it tastes like white chocolate. Like, remember the chocolate we were eating earlier, but without the
Oreo.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. It's good.
I like the vanilla one better though.
I like the vanilla and the strawberry better than the chocolate. I would say vanilla, strawberry, chocolate.
It's a 10 for me.
These are all really good. It's just
we have peach. What is it? Peach oolong?
Oh yeah,
Oolong?
oolong tea.
Oolong tea. It looks like that.
I don't know where part of Asia it's from.
Me personally, I don't like tea. I don't like
but
iced
it might not
tea.
taste like that. You know,
I don't like none of that cold tea because it's disgusting. But
we'll see. It might taste like soda. Smells good.
yeah, it smells good. It smells like peach. Put your mouth on the can.
Oh, I know you're not gonna like this.
If you don't like it, I'm definitely not gonna like it.
It's tea.
Oh.
It's good, but it's like not too sweet. It's like kind of. You're not gonna like it.
I don't like cold tea. It just doesn't.
And it hasn't had that much sweetness. Maybe we're supposed to shake it. Yeah. Babe, it is not that bad.
It tastes like nothing. Bro, that's so bad. That's so bad. Bro, no. My tongue.
It tastes like, okay, I rate it as like a 3.
That's
like,
a 0. That's a 0. No. Do not try this.
No.
Peach oolong tea thing. This is disgusting.
You know what? If you like tea but you don't like it too sweet, this is the kind of tea.
It tastes like
it
just
tastes like
tea bag with no sugar, bro. No. Ew, that's nasty.
It really does though. But you know, some people like their tea like this.
No.
The aftertaste isn't bad.
That ain't it. That's the worst thing out of this. This is literally the worst thing out of this whole thing.
Wait until you try the spicy noodles. Let's see if that's the worst. I'm gonna have him try the bulldog spicy noodles. I'm pretty sure if you guys watch YouTube, you guys have seen this.
You got the pot over here.
I'm gonna add the noodles.
Oh, how spicy is it?
Babe, have you seen the spicy noodle challenges?
Is it worse than that?
It is that.
No.
But babe, it's not. No, it's not the. It's not the time spicy one. It's the original one.
What do you mean?
This is the sauce.
Oh, nah.
Babe. No.
I'm not eating it.
Babe, you're taking one. You don't have to eat it all. Just take one bite.
I'm not eating that.
Babe, take one bite.
I'm
You're
not
taking
eating
one
it.
bite. Yes, for
Absolutely
me.
not.
Just take one bite, and after that, you're done. At least like you tried it.
I don't want that,
Babe,
bro.
you're taking one bite.
I've
You're
been
gonna-
seeing it look like people. That's literally torturing somebody, bro.
It's one bite.
Especially for me that don't like spice
But it's
stuff.
one bite. It's one bite. I'm not asking you to eat the whole bowl.
I'm tasting one noodle.
No. Babe, you have to do one bite.
No.
If it's too hot, you can spit it out. Okay? Okay. We have to let it cook
Alright.
for like 5 minutes, so we'll be back when it's done.
It looks like that. Can we just
Here's
eat it
the
like that?
sauce. No, here's the sauce. And then here is...
What the fuck is that?
It's just sesame seeds and seaweed, but I'm not gonna put it on there because you don't like the seafood taste.
Alright, guys, so we catch y'all back when it's done.
No. Here is the spicy ramen. Babe's gonna take one bite. I'm gonna give him a small fork. Here.
Bro, that's too long. What the hell?
I'm twirling it around, okay? Okay, here we go. Open your mouth.
I don't know. Nah.
Babe.
Yeah.
Please, it's one bite, I promise. You don't have to take any more bites. I've had this before. I like it. I'll take a bite for you guys too.
This gonna be my drink.
Babe,
Just
no,
think
I don't think you need soda. Soda's gonna make it worse.
Okay.
Where's your water?
Come on.
Here, there's milk in there too. If you need milk, you have icy. No, baby, you have to eat it right away. You have to eat it.
Oh.
To eat it.
Oh.
Eat it.
Oh. Oh.
Eat it.
Oh. 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 Bye. Oh, wait, hold on. Nah, as soon as I bit that, bro, it hit my tongue. No way.
Bite it.
Bro, this is not food.
Just quickly. Let the thing up. Come on. Let the thing up. It tastes good at the beginning, right?
Bro, my tongue feel like somebody lit it with a lighter, bro. No. I'm not. No, give me this shit.
You want milk too?
No.
Milk helps. Oh no, you lactose. I'll eat one bite for you guys.
That is not food. What are you eating? It just literally spice. You can't even taste the flavor.
Oh yeah, you can at the beginning. It's sweet.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
As soon as I took a bite, it hit my tongue. Like, what do you mean?
It's sweet at the beginning. That's good.
What's wrong with you, bro?
I'm so full.
That's horrible. Apart from the flavor,
The flavor's good, right?
the flavor is good. It's
Told
just
you.
the spice. It just no, hell no. I'll give it like a.
Okay.
I give the flavor a 5, but the spice I give a 0 because I don't like spicy food. Right now it's like my tongue is on fire, bro. And I didn't even eat that much. Like my tongue. I can't feel my tongue, and I'm not playing, bro. I can't feel my tongue. Bro, that is...
It's gonna go away eventually. It's gonna go away.
I cannot feel my tongue. I'm literally eating icy and I can't feel my tongue.
Okay. That is the end of our video. Before we go though, we're gonna rate the ones that we like the most. Do you wanna go first?
Let's start from worst.
Okay. Worst to best. Okay.
Worst to best. The worst? No. It was the tea. I don't have the tea right now, but that tea
The
was
pink tea?
That tea was disgusting. I hated the tea. Then is this nasty thing right here, thingy majiggy.
Where's the spicy food at? What's spicy food at? Where's it go?
It's disgusting. That's nasty. The triangle thing.
Not at all.
I don't like that either.
That's good.
This is probably the best out of all of them.
You said worst to best.
I already said. Oh, the ramen. The ramen is also good too. So
Oh, he likes the gin ramen, not the spicy ramen.
this one is actually good, but the spicy one, I can't feel my tongue even right now. But this is the best. I think I'll probably give like one of these the second best.
Which one?
The vanilla one. So if you see these anywhere and you want to try them, try them. It's actually good. Then I'll give this another one because this is actually good. This is definitely a 10. This right here, nah, not too much. I don't really like it like that. The Coco Boy, it's alright. It's not really bad, but yeah.
What about the sodas? Do you
The
like
sodas?
the blue one or the blue one?
I
or
think
the-
I like this one more for some reason because it has more like a flavor and also like the staticky and like a soda. So I'll give that. I think that one is better. Mine's it was like just
raspberry.
yeah, and it just didn't really taste like nothing. So yeah, that's
Okay.
the end of this video.
What?
What's the end of the video?
I know. Let me rate mine. Anyways, she said worst to best. Okay, so the worst for me was this one. This was too bitter for me. It was. I like the texture though. The texture is amazing, but the flavor is too bitter. Second worst, I'm completely like forgetting the tea. The tea needs to be a lot sweeter. It was like you said, like a tea bag without sugar or honey or anything. But people like it like that. After that, I would say Coco Boy, and then this is good, but it's not my favorite. The Korean version, the triangle one, and then the vanilla version of the milk and strawberry, and then Oh, screw that. This one. No. Yeah, that one. Then my soda. Nothing soda. And then the first is the gin ramen. And then next to that is the spicy ramen. This is bomb.
Don't try this.
I eat this like
Don't try it.
I eat it like all the time. I literally
This is
order it.
disgusting.
It's so good. If you like spicy food, you're gonna love it. Okay?
If you don't like spicy food, do
Don't.
not
Yeah.
try it.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you got to the end, comment down below which one you would try. And yeah, give this a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that ding 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 bell.
Let's go. Get my girl to 30. If you don't, I'm coming for you.
I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace out.